Hey everyone, so I'm back with another How I Pack a Poshmark sale. If you've watched my other two, you guys pretty much know how it goes. So I'm just gonna get straight into it and share with you what I'm going to use this time. So first things first are some scissors. This time I'm going to use some white twine. For her extras that I plan to give to her, I'm debating on which one to use. So to wrap the planner, again, I'm going to use some tissue paper. This one has like mint, what do you call that, polka dots on gray tissue. My fave, you guys know, to add doilies. So for her thank you card, I'm going to use a Project Life card. I don't know which one yet. We'll see. And of course, this is, I don't know yet, but I'm going to use this to write her name. Also, I'll be using two pens. This one's the Pilot G2 in 0.38 and the Tombow brush pen. To tape up the tissue paper, I'm going to use this washi tape this time. It just has the days of the week and months. So for her extras, I got this sticker book from Target, and I believe they're still available. There's 12 sheets. This was for only $1, and it's super awesome. There's a bunch of stickers, which I think she will like because I honestly love using these stickers. I'm also gonna throw in two gray washi tapes. I'm also gonna throw in these paper clips. And these are super thin. They're like geotag shaped, which I think are super cute. So finally, you guys, I found some bubble mailers. I purchased these off of Amazon and they were really inexpensive for 12, I believe it was like $12.99 or something like that. But these are just in gold, and this is 7.5 by 11, which is a perfect size for what I pretty much sell all the time. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. And they also have different colors too. So if you're looking for bubble mailers, definitely check out Amazon.